Welcome to our tutorial on the shell command. Let's start by selecting the shell command from the Dress Up Features toolbar. I'll enter 1/8 of an inch as my value for the default inside thickness. Tab over to default outside thickness. We'll leave that the same. Faces to remove is the next field. We're going to select the faces we want to remove. Let's remove these 4 faces. Click OK. Now, if we click on the background, we will see a preview of our new shell. Now we're going to modify our shell a little bit. There's one field on the shell definition dialog window that we haven't yet looked at. It's called Other Thickness Faces. Currently, we have no selection here. Let's choose this face on the bottom. I'm going to double-click on the parameters to modify them. Let's enter a value of 1/2 inch now. Click OK. As you can see here, we're able to modify the inside and outside thicknesses one at a time. Click OK. And indeed, we do have a shell whose bottom wall is thicker than the rest of the walls. And this concludes our tutorial on the shell command.